Donna Schwartz here from the Everything Saxophone Podcast. I'm on location. I'm actually in Las Vegas right now. We just finished the Sax Girls Rock concert, the inaugural concert, 2024 in Las Vegas. We're back at the hotel. We're meeting up with the artists afterwards. They had an awesome performance. And my first guest today is Kim J. Welcome, Kim.
Thank you so much, Donna. This has been a great experience for me. Meeting you has been a great experience for me, but this has been great. Thank you, fans.
It was a great concert, and you know the audience kept on piling in and piling in and piling in. It was awesome, and you know just the energy in the room.
Yes,
right.
Energy in the room. The energy was really high. I mean, from the artists to the audience, they clapped, they laughed, they danced. It was just really fantastic.
They were singing. They were moving around.
Oh my God, it was great.
And you guys, what was really cool? So you know, it was in a theater at the West Las Vegas Library, but just about every artist just came down the steps and just came into the audience.
Yeah,
that was cool.
I like to do that, especially on that particular song, "Happy." I like to get out there with the audience and kind of engage with them, dance a little bit with them, and you know, get them up and going. That's my going home song.
Happy, because you want to go home happy.
Yeah, I want to send people home happy. Yeah, exactly. You know.
What was it like? No, let me ask this question. How did you hear about this? What got you involved in this?
Oh, it was so crazy. It was on Facebook. Ernie Shelby, who organized this and put this together, put a little soundbite out saying that she was interested in doing something in Las Vegas with sax sisters, you know, sisters who play sax, you know, and if you play a sax, you're automatically a sister. So she said, if anybody, you know, is interested, please let me know. So I let her know. I said I would love to try and you know, try out for it. She said, no, you have to try out. I've already heard you.
Oh, awesome. See, she checked everybody out. That's the cool thing.
She did. She checked everybody out. So I was like, oh, man, I was just so excited. So I'm going to Vegas, and to be able to play my original music.
That's right.
That really was a highlight for me, you know, because I introduced something, and I felt that the audience embraced it. And one woman came up to me and she said, oh, I hear the John Coltrane, I hear the Sonny Rollins, yeah, you know. And I was like, thank you. Those are my influences, but I listen to everybody. I love singers, you know. I kind of play like a vocalist, you know. And I just enjoy this whole experience, man.
Well, who would you say your biggest mentor is?
A man named Michael Carpenter.
Okay.
He was a music teacher at Westbury High School, and I met up with him, and I told him, you know, that I didn't feel very comfortable with playing sax, and you know, I played something for him, and he said, "You sound comfortable to me. You know, just keep doing what you're doing," because I'm self-taught. So, you know, sometimes I get a little embarrassed, you know, that I didn't do everything that everybody else did, you know. But
you have to be you,
yes,
right? And that's the whole thing.
Yes, and that's what I am, my authentic self. That's it. What you see is what you get.
That's all you can be. And so here's the funny thing. So we both grew up on Long Island.
Right.
It's one
Glen
word.
Cove, what's up, baby?
New Hyde Park, what's up? But it's one word, Long Island.
Yes.
Just to let you know.
Yes.
And
it's not Long Island City.
That's right. And the water is not very good either.
No, as a coffee.
We had to put that little accent stuff in for you. But did you mean Westbury High School, Long Island?
Yes.
Oh,
yes, in Long Island. I grew up. I was born and raised in Glen Cove.
Okay.
I grew up in Hempstead.
Okay.
And from there, I went to college, Fordham University. And from there, I went back to Long Island. And then my mom got sick in Florida, and I came to Florida in 2008. I also did the Jazz Riverwalk Festival, 2008 in Stewart.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, and then, you know, when my mom passed, then I just said, you know, I'm going to stay here. And then Port St. Lucie, I went there once, and I said I want to live here. So 2 years ago, I moved to Port St. Lucie.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. So you've been pretty much all over the place for the most part.
Yes.
And it was a bit of a hike to get to here from Port St. Lucie to Las Vegas.
Yeah. 2 planes and, you know, a lot of luggage. But you know what? For me, it was worth it.
Yeah.
The whole experience was worth it.
The audience was incredibly receptive
Yes.
to your performance,
Yes.
and you could tell you were having a great time up there, and getting involved and really getting the audience involved too.
Yeah,
That was
and,
cool.
and not falling apart because things are not going the way I want them to go. So
Yeah, it's always about adapting.
yes, quickly.
Quickly, for sure. Well, listen, Kim, I
Thank
wanted to
you.
thank you so much for being on the podcast.
Thank
and
you.
we'll be sharing some video and all that kind of thing as well. And safe travels home.
Thank you so much, Donna. I really appreciate it. I appreciate meeting you,
Yeah,
and I hope to talk to you again.
absolutely.
All righty, thank you.
Cool.
Bye-bye.